Want to know how to make an AI agent that creates a procedural story plots? So if you want to create a small story that you want to generate and don't know how to, you can create an agent which can easily help you create multiple plots as you move on. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, you need to just simply open up your AgentGPT.rework.ai website. So we have also created similar videos regarding AgentGPT, which is on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, you should be under this interface right here, the deployment tab. So the most important part is the goal, as you can see down here. Now just simply name your agent anything. So I'm just going to type in story GPT right here. And now for the goal, just simply copy and paste this prompt. So now once you have copied this prompt right here, as you can see right here, it creates a full story plot with character settings, conflicts and resolution based on a simple thing. So I'm going to give you action movie based on a train. Now you can just simply select play and it will give you a proper execution of the story that you want. So you can also follow up by chatting with your agent and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.